Hello everyone. Today we are making cluster beans curry in an Andhra style, which can be called as Goruchikkudu Pulusu in Telugu. This recipe is easy to follow and combines health and taste, making it a perfect dish to try at home. To a mixing bowl goes 300 grams of cluster beans. Clean it well, split and chop the beans to 1.5-inch pieces. Into a pot goes the beans and cook them with the water 2 inches above the beans and the required salt until they are 70% done. You can use an open pot or a pressure cooker which can be cooked to 2 whistles on high flame. Then extract a juice from a lemon sized tamarind. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil into a frying pan. Add a tablespoon of mustard seeds and 2 pinch fenugreek seeds. Only 2 pinch, don't add more than that because it gives the bitter taste. Fry until the fenugreek turns dark golden color for a rich and aromatic flavor. Then goes the tablespoon of urad dal, 2 red split chilies, and half a tablespoon of cumin seed. Fry until the seasoning gets good color and fragrance. Then goes 2 sprigs of curry leaves and 1 medium sized chopped onion and 3 sweet green chilies. Fry until onion turns pink color. Optionally, add crushed 3 to 4 garlic if you want here. And fry until golden. Add adequate salt, quarter tablespoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon chili powder, and a tablespoon of coriander powder and mix it well. Stir and cook well until the onion turns pink color. The spices blend well. Now transfer the cooked beans along with water into the seasoning mix. Allow it to cook for 3 to 4 minutes to absorb the flavors. Then goes the tamarind extract water and 1 to 2 tablespoon of jaggery powder, which is an optional. Cook for an additional 3 to 4 minutes only on low to medium flame. If you prefer a soupy texture, add 20 ml of water and cook well. Now for the final touch, add roasted 2 tablespoons of sesame seed powder. Salt well and cook for 2 to 3 minutes to enhance the taste and to thicken the curry. Once the curry becomes thick, garnish with fresh coriander leaves and switch off the flame. Please give a try to this recipe at home and leave a comment how it turned out. Serve the delicious cluster beans curry with a hot rice and enjoy a healthy and tasty meal. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Happy cooking. Namaste.